We're going to be graphing the equation y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a table. And we're going to start with x equals 0. You could have selected any numbers, any real numbers, so we decided to start with 0. So we have y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to substitute the x value, or the x variable, with 0. So we have y is equal to negative 1/3 times 0 plus 2. And that was the reason why we selected 0, because we know that 0 times any number will give you 0. So y equals 0 plus 2, and so y equals 2. So the order pair is 0, and then you go up 2. The next number that we're going to choose is 3, because we know that 3 is divisible by 3. So we're going to go ahead and use x equals 3, and we have y equals negative 1/3 times 3 plus 2. We went ahead and substituted x with 3, and so we have y equals negative 1/3 times the improper fraction 3 over 1 plus 2. So y equals negative 3 divided by 3 plus 2. And how did I get negative 3? 3 times negative 1 gives you negative 3. 1 times 3 gives you 3. And we know that negative 3 divided by 3 gives you negative 1 plus 2. We have different signs, so we have to subtract. And so the y value is 1. So we have the order pair 3, 1. So we start at the origin, go over 3, and go up 1. And you notice we have a slope of 1 over 3, which is a negative slope. So our slope is negative 1 over 3. That is the rate of change, or the change between 2 points. So we're going to go down 1 over 1, 2, 3. Go down 1 again, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to repeat the process. Go up 1 over 1, 2, 3. Go up 1 over 1, 2, 3. Go up 1 over 1, 2, 3. And you notice we have all the points across the coordinate plane. So we're going to go ahead and connect all the points. And you notice that our slope, or we notice that the slope is negative, and the slope was negative 1 over 3. This point right here is what we called the y-intercept. And this point right here is what we called the x-intercept. So our y-intercept is 0, 2, and that's where the graph, or the function, crosses the y-axis. The x-intercept is 6, 0. And we know that our function, our graph, the graph is decreasing.